To organize your bookmarks in Obsidian, open the Bookmarks pane from the left sidebar, then right-click inside that pane and select New Bookmark Group. Give it a name like Projects and press Enter. That's the core action for creating groups, and once you have a group, you simply drag any existing bookmark into it. If you haven't enabled bookmarks yet, go to Settings, select Core Plugins, find Bookmarks, and flip the toggle on. It's a core plugin, so it's built right in. No community downloads needed. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. And let's get into the full walkthrough so you can set up a system that actually saves you time every day. Now, before you start dragging things around, you need some bookmarks to work with. Open a note you access frequently, maybe your daily note, a project tracker, or a meeting template, and click the 3-dot More Options menu in the upper right corner of that note. Select Bookmark from that menu, and you'll see a little bookmark icon appear on the Notes tab, confirming it's saved. Repeat that for a handful of your most important notes, your weekly review, your task dashboard, any reference documents you open daily. The goal here is to bookmark only what you genuinely use regularly. If you bookmark everything, the pane becomes just another cluttered folder, and you lose the speed benefit. Once you have 5 or 6 bookmarks, open the Bookmarks pane from the left sidebar. You'll see a flat list of all your saved items. Right-click anywhere in that pane and choose New Bookmark Group. Name it something meaningful, like Projects, then press Enter. Repeat that to create groups for daily notes, meetings, templates, and reference. The reason you want multiple groups is that it mirrors how your brain actually works. You don't think about everything at once. You think in contexts. When you're in a meeting, you want meeting notes, not last year's research PDF. Now drag each bookmark into its appropriate group. Click and hold on a bookmark, drag it over the group name until the group highlights, then release. You can also reorder bookmarks within a group by dragging them up or down. Place your most clicked items at the top so you don't have to scroll. A common mistake here is trying to drag a note that's still open in your editor. That won't work because the Bookmarks pane is separate. Close the note first or use the split view so you can see both panes. Here's where bookmarks get really powerful. They aren't limited to notes. You can bookmark a folder by right-clicking any folder in the File Explorer and choosing Bookmark. That gives you one-click access to an entire folder's contents without navigating through your Vault tree. You can also bookmark a saved search. If you've pinned a search like Hash Project or Path Daily Notes in the search pane, click the 3 dots on that search result and select Bookmark. Even headings within a note are bookmarkable. Open the note, click the heading anchor icon that appears on hover. Choose Copy Link to Heading, then paste that link into a note and bookmark that note, or use the right-click bookmark option if your theme supports it. This means you can jump directly to the exact section of a long document without scrolling. As your Vault grows, your bookmarks need maintenance. Right-click a bookmark you no longer need and choose Remove. You can also rename groups by right-clicking the group header and selecting Rename. If a project wraps up, rename that group to Archived Projects or delete it entirely. A good habit is to review your bookmarks pane once a month. If you haven't opened a bookmarked note in 2 weeks, consider removing it or moving it to a lower group. This keeps your pane lean and your daily clicks fast. One tip that beginners often miss. You can collapse groups by clicking the arrow to the left of the group name. This tucks the group out of sight, so you only see your active groups. Expand a group when you need it. Collapse it when you don't. Combined with placing your most used group at the very top, this setup means you can open a meeting template in under 2 seconds. No folder navigation, no search queries. Bookmarks work alongside your existing organization system. Folders handle where notes live, tags handle topics, and bookmarks handle speed. They don't move or duplicate your notes, they're just shortcuts. So your daily note stays in its Daily Notes folder while also appearing in your bookmarks under Daily Notes group. No duplication, no sync issues. This is especially useful for templates you use every week or reference guides you check mid-project. By now you've created groups, filled them with your essential bookmarks, and learned how to maintain them over time. You can bookmark notes, folders, searches, and headings, and you can rearrange them to match your current workflow. The next time you open Obsidian, you'll have your most important content one click away. If you ever feel your bookmarks getting cluttered, just right-click, rename, remove, or regroup. It takes 30 seconds and keeps your Vault fast. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to save this walkthrough for later, just bookmark this video and come back anytime your workflow changes.